Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So before we get started, you will need to grab one of these things. It's a SIM eject tool which comes provided with the device in the box. So you could grab this, or if you can't find it, you can also just grab a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, make sure that it doesn't have that like plastic little wrap around it, and it should work basically as well as this. So anyway, once you get one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone. So simply push the pin in and tray pops out, enough for you to grab it and yank it out. Now on the tray you have space for two different SIM cards, or one SIM card and one SD card, depending on which you want to go with. If you want to use two SIM cards, you will place one of the SIM cards on the SD tray, but sideways, as you can see right now. And if you're planning to use one of each, then just simply one SIM card will go quickly. Damn it. There we go. So one SIM card goes here, and the other SD card will go here. Now, as you can see, the tray isn't anything great, so cards aren't held in place by any means. So if you flip it, sideways it, they will fall out. So anyway, let's just pop it back in carefully so the cards don't actually pop out. And as you can see, they already are working because it's requesting my SIM card pin. So I'm going to confirm it, and there we go, it's unlocked. And additionally, I already have the pop-up for the SD card as well. So both of them are working fine. And that is how you insert both SIM and SD card into this phone. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.